Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com hourly analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Thursday, February 21st, 2013. Well, the candle that we're analysing here, this final hour, it's just completed, is a black body candle, and we've seen the market trending in a second time frame downtrend and bouncing over the previous few hours with a retracement of the prior first time frame downtrend, and now with this candle we see a first time frame downtrend in place with the black body candle. The market rallied on a white candle, and as the market rallied towards the resistance at 131.96, we saw the size of the bodies of the candles decreasing, and then eventually a doji type candle in confirmation of a change of trend with a black body candle, with the sellers now once again taking control. This suggests that there is good potential for the market to trade down to lower levels. If we do see the market trading lower, obviously some minor support at the 131.607 level, this swing low, and also just down below there a more important level at the 131.45 area, and just below there we have the first pivot point support area at roughly around 131.36. So very strong support down below. If we watch how the market's been trading throughout the previous trading day, we saw the market open up down below the middle pivot point level, testing down in a very bearish manner down below the first pivot point support area, and then testing down to the second pivot point support area. And this highlights very well how the pivot points hold as areas of support or resistance. We saw the shadows come out, buying coming in around these levels, and then the market rally through the 131.96 level of previous support in a bullish way, but then to find resistance at the previous pivot point support area, and that's quite important what the market's done there. Selling off to find support once again down at the pivot point, the second pivot point level. For today's trading, those pivot point support areas will be very important. The second pivot point level extends down to 130.80 roughly, or just above 130.84, so we should look to them if the market does continue in this downtrend. It's likely that the downtrend will continue. The market is trading down below the cloud, so overall the market is negative, and the market's also trading below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. If we look here over the previous day's trading, the market hasn't traded anywhere near the Kijun-sen. That is pointing flat and still is pointing flat. There is a possibility we can be attracted back towards there even more, as we saw with the previous few hours of trading, but the level at resistance at 131.96 seems to be holding at the moment, as does the resistance at the Tenkan-sen, the green line here. So that will be important over the next few hours if the market does test around the Tenkan-sen, the green line, which represents a trend in the short-term time frame. If we see a bullish breakout and a bullish close up above there once the candle is completed, then there is a possibility of the market trading up to higher levels. But at the moment, with this second time frame downtrend in place, bearishness starting to come back into the market, a likelihood that we will test down to 131.45 and perhaps down to the pivot point support areas.